What if mischievous cats worked in a pizza restaurant?
Hurry up, push harder. That pizza needs to be in the oven 5 minutes ago.
This is the third time you've gotten my order wrong. I specifically asked for no olives, and look, it's covered in them. What kind of service is this?
Get off the cheese right now. Move it. We have orders to fill.
Look at this. The pizza is absolutely destroyed. I told you specifically to watch the oven, and now it's charcoal.
Look at this pizza. Where are the anchovies? You ate every single one, you greedy cat.